Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are in the car doing some car birding, looking for my 9th county bird of the year, the Willow Ptarmigan. I'm Shayna Cossette and you're watching Shayna Cossette Birding. Willow ptarmigan are part of the grouse family in North America, and an interesting fact about them is that the ptarmigan species are the only grouse who change their feather color for the winter. Willow ptarmigan breed in the Arctic tundra and then move further south into the northern boreal forest during the winter months. Where I live in northern Saskatchewan, they usually show up in late October or early November and leave near the end of March or early April. Almost all of the ptarmigan I see are when I'm birding by vehicle, and simply it's because they tend to hang out in the ditches along the roadways in the willows, and most of the time I don't even see them until they spook and fly up. So car birding is not the most exciting to vlog for you guys, especially because I'm by myself, so I'm only filming clips when I'm in park and not driving. But what I can say is what I'm looking for is groups of little willows and shrubs. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you a stretch that I'm gonna go really slow by, and basically all I'm doing is looking for movement or trying to spot the ptarmigan before they flush. Sometimes they will sit like up in the shrubs and be foraging, and you can spot them a little easier that way, but it really is like finding a needle in a haystack because these are all white grouse except for a black eye, a black bill, sometimes a little bit of black on the tail, not always visible, and sometimes a little bit of red above the eye, once again, not always visible. So it really is searching through the snowbanks for eyes and bills, which is not the easiest to do on a good day, let alone when it's snowing and we have even less visibility from the white. All of these little alder shrubs here is what you will often find them in. So you just drive by really slow and they will like hunker down and sit really tight. And then usually I actually see them in my side view mirror because they start running out after I've already passed them. So also on the way back is usually end up finding them. So we're gonna keep going down this stretch of road and see if we see any. All right, success. We have spotted a ptarmigan. This is what I'm seeing as I'm driving. And I'm gonna very slowly zoom in. Do you see it? So that is what you were looking for. Oh, and he's gonna come right out across the road. Where are you going, bud? So as you can tell, they're not very wary of vehicles. They don't mind if you stay still. There's usually more than one. So if you find one, just hang out. Now there goes number 2. Oh my god, that's so cute. Is there another one? No, not yet. Okay, so there's 2. That one's going over there. And if you just sit here, they will kind of get used to you, and they don't necessarily like come and check you out, but they don't immediately fly away either. So they are probably going to head towards that stand of fresh spruce, and I'm just going to keep an eye out, see if any more, and hopefully we can try to get some clips of them on the big camera. Okay, success! We got our 9th county bird of the year so far. Okay, since I know those other ones are in the ditch, I'm gonna try getting out of the vehicle and walking around the back. Seeing if I can back here. That was a great success. If you can't tell by my hands, my face, and the fact that the wind made my eye tear up so much that I lost all of my mascara. It is frickin' chilly in that wind. Oh my gosh. But I just got amazing footage of those ptarmigan. So as you guys saw when they were trying to get the little alder buds or the willow buds, they do these hops and it's so freaking cute. And I've seen it a couple times and my partner has a cell phone video of it, but I was really hoping to get good quality footage of it to show you guys because it's one of my favorite things about the willow ptarmigan, and I got it on video. I literally feel like I could cry right now. Oh, it's so cold though. So I just, yeah, like I said, I got out of the vehicle, walked around the back, and the one was in front and ran all the way behind me, and so I just panned to continue filming it. And then there was like another one there too. I need to fix this. Oh my gosh. Ugh, so much for waterproof eyeliner. Anyways, so that is so awesome. I try not to prolong my sessions when I'm dealing with wildlife, especially if they are being tame. I like to get in, get what I want, and then get out as soon as possible just to leave them less disturbed. So now I'm going to sit here for a little minute in the vehicle, leave it not running, start the vehicle, leave it running, and then like actually move just so I don't completely startle them because they're only in the ditch. That was so perfect. Oh man, I can't wait to share all of the pictures and videos I just got from that. So that is going to be everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the ptarmigan as much as I love them. I love finding them and sharing them with you, and I've been wanting to do a really good put together video like this for quite a while. So I'm so happy that it's all finally come together. I'm gonna crank the heat now, put the camera away, and head back home for some supper. So if you guys like this content, be sure to like the video, let me know in the comments what was your favorite part, and then also if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so I can continue to share these adventures with you in the future. With that, have a great day and happy birding.